Welcome back to the channel. We have Pro VM. Yep, that's right, we're bringing it back. If you guys recognize this guy, he's been on 2 Pro VMs. He's 0-2 so far. You graduated college, right?
Yes, I just did.
UNLV graduate, bowled for the bowling team. He says he's averaging 216 now, so let's see if he's improved enough to take us down today. Rules are the same. We're gonna bowl straight up, no handicap. That's how we went last time. We're assuming he's improved, so hopefully
I hope so too.
He fares a little bit better this time. But if he beats me, he has an option between either a lesson with myself or a brand new bowling ball from Storm. Without further ado, thanks for being on the channel.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
luck. Do you want to go first or second?
I'll go second.
Ooh, he wants the ball in hand. We got some special things cooking up at EFX. As you can see, he's wearing one of the original EFX
OG. That's how you know
collabs.
That's how you know how long I've loved the company.
But we've got some exciting things coming soon, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna be throwing phase 2 Pearl. I got an X Factor with me if I need something a little cleaner, but I think we're blowing on a fresh house shot. So we each got 1 shot, and they look a little sharp. Try to increase our ball speed a touch. That's not great. Ooh, actually not great. Guys, you're wrong. Usually I throw them bad and they strike. Little false sense of security to start us off.
I am throwing the Rockstar. I choose to roll a slow ball.
I think you've got the equipment advantage.
Equipment advantage?
Let's see if it makes a difference.
We'll see.
You guys have a notice we're bowling on 67 and 68 today. The far side of the house, they got a league on the low end. Sunday mornings are not the best time to film. Well, I guess it's pretty quiet. Nothing wrong with the high end. Maybe. Whoa. I remember this is how it started the very first time. Yeah, they get the front 3. I ain't worried. We're just gonna shimwreck them. That's what we do now, we're a shimwrecker.
There we go. Just figured it out. I knew you would.
Well, I mean, you got to practice for a little bit, and I didn't throw a ball for like 20 minutes, so.
I saw you warming up when I was walking in here.
That was like 20 minutes ago.
I think your sense of time is a bit expanded.
What time did you show up?
I showed up like 5-10 minutes ago.
You bowled like 8 frames.
I thought you bowled more than that. What time did you show up here?
I bowled 1 game. I'm old. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that we're doing a team trials clinic on January 1st, featuring myself, Simo, Chris Vi, Chris Prather, and Ryan Barnes. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out the link down below. Spots are limited, so make sure you sign up quick, and we'll see you there. Quick second, guys. Just wanted to let you know that League Night and Vlogs have moved over to the Vitamin D Tang channel, so if you guys haven't subscribed over there yet, link is in the description below. And let's go back to the action. Maybe. I can't believe that didn't fall. So you get that hit when you get your card. All right, tell the people what you studied. What did you study, and what are you gonna do with your degree?
So I graduated with photography and a minor in marketing, and so I got a job lined up for me. I applied for a marketing agency.
Okay.
I'll be doing an internship for a content creation director. See where that takes me.
Nice. Content creation. That's what we're doing here.
Exactly, that's what we're doing right now.
We are creating content. I need to keep my ball speed firm. Phase 2 Pearl. Oh, hooking at the spare. It's a bold play.
I do it all the time on house shots.
It may come to bite him in the butt later on. Guys, I think the phase 2 Pearl is the ball of the year. If you guys are interested, ball's out now. tvbowlingsupply.com. D-Tang 5. Don't forget the 5 at the end. The code works if you use the 5. D-Tang 5. Get yourself a phase 2 Pearl. Dare I say it's just as good as the first one? It's hard to say. It hasn't been out for nearly as long. It's not great. Great enough. Just like that, he's right back in the game. Right back, baby!
All it takes is a double to catch up.
Also, if there are any companies watching this video, I'm starting to design some new jerseys, and I have some open slots for logos, so if anyone's interested, contact the email down below. I plan on making some TV shows this time. Plus, you get exposure on the YouTube channel. All the time.
Oh, that's terrible.
All the time.
That was terrible.
All the time.
Terrible.
Maybe you need the quick ball.
Maybe I do. How about try it out?
That's slow.
A ball change.
Something's not lining up for me right now. You said you hook it all the time on house shots, but you threw that shot and it didn't hook. So what happens if you throw a shot like that?
That was just bad off the hand. Have you ever had a amateur ball change on you during a Pro VM?
Can't say I remember. My memory's not very good.
Okay then.
A ball change on the spare. It's a bold play.
Might use that.
It worked out. I'm very handsy. I feel a little less handsy here. Well, I got indigestion. Okay, we're back. That's awful.
Oh.
All right, look at me. I'm gonna do the same thing he did. Gave him back the lead on the bench. Lack of focus.
Yuck.
We gotta keep it close.
I might.
He's gotta have a chance going into the 10th frame. Otherwise, it's no fun. Otherwise, the video just sucks.
I'm gonna make a big move here. 5 left.
Wow, that was really bad. Man, I'm really bad sometimes. Is it good?
Oh, no. That was terrible.
Did I just talk you into a ball change you didn't need to make?
I think I did it myself. Throw one bad shot, ball change.
It's like a battle of who wants it less.
Yeah.
Who wants it less? Oh, didn't even try that hard at the spare. Does he pick it up? Tough. Do you always do that on splits?
Not all the time, but I don't tend to make those, so I just say screw it.
That's the spirit. All right, let's make a better effort here. Not terrible. Better than most.
Ooh.
Better than most.
Wish I had that touch.
I think you're in trouble.
Yeah.
So if you win, are you taking the ball or the lesson?
Maybe the lesson.
The lesson.
Yeah. I need to learn how to bowl. Man, dude, that ball just does not move.
Are you gonna make the same shot?
Maybe.
You know what's crazy to me? People can justify paying for a bowling ball, but if a lesson's the same price, they won't pay for it.
Ah.
Which brings me to my point. We're doing a clinic on January 1st. If you guys are in Vegas for Team USA trials, or you're gonna be in Vegas just cause, or you wanna come to Vegas, link in the description below. Simo, Prather, Vi, Lil Barnes, myself, we're here to help you. Check it out. Please consider. Hook a lot. You got some thinking to do here.
Yeah.
Do we need to invoke the endless 10th frame? Because if that's the case, I'm gonna try to get them all. Guys, do we let them have a chance at the endless 10th frame?
Technically, there's still time.
That's called sauce. Straight sauce! If I throw it decent, it strikes. If I throw it horrible, it doesn't strike. That's how the game should be, right? Back to the other ball. Oh!
Yeah, that was the ball all along.
Oh!
We're in the second half.
Yeah, you're gonna need a lot here. Do you normally track over your middle finger?
Do I normally what?
Track over your middle finger?
Not normally.
It's just a Sunday kind of deal?
Sure, whenever I bowl in the morning.
That's not great. Don't give me that. I got a whole arrow to hit down lane. Just gotta not hit outside of that arrow and we're okay. I got a really bad habit of working on things while I'm bowling for score.
I do the same thing.
It's not good. I'm trying to throw a nasty bird dog or something. 36 pin lead through 7.5 frames. He needs this one bad. Oh no!
Damn.
All right, well we'll give you the endless 10th frame.
Sure.
Endless 10th frame. You gotta lock in here. You're in jeopardy of going down 0-3.
Yeah.
This is the house shot, man. Come on.
It's a hard one. It's a hard house shot.
Gold Coast house shot tends to be a little more difficult than other houses here. Oh, the cutter. Was that the intent, or were you trying to go hit the?
I
hit the
typically,
left side?
whenever I wash out, I typically throw back up. That's like that's my routine.
What's your success rate?
When I first started doing it, it was pretty high, but
Not anymore.
I mean, it's not low, but.
All right, let's try to keep everything a little more compact here. Oh, dude, that's so good. It's not gonna strike. Oh, never mind. It does.
I should have chose free ball.
Why?
That ball, you have the world with that ball, man.
What do you mean?
My ball's over here just getting lazy and.
You think I'm just spraying and praying?
Well, I know you're lined up.
Your ball's not lazy. Your ball's never hooking.
Yeah.
Too much rotation, brother. I was on the other side of it. I think I rolled it too much. That one should hook.
There we go. I just gotta throw it up the boards.
Nice shots. Very nice. All right, so if we both punch out, you need to strike 6 times in your endless 10 frame. I gotta keep the gas on. I like that last shot. Perf. Oh! Maybe I do have the world. Maybe.
Maybe I got a strike right here, so I don't have to strike so many times. Right?
56 pin lead here. Potentially more. Oh, you did that one pretty good. Wow, very nice. Very nice. I don't think I could play there if I wanted to. If you guys want an opportunity for the smoke, you got to be in Vegas. I'm not doing this outside of Vegas. I'm not traveling with all the cameras and the equipment. Keep that in mind, guys. I can't always just come out there and challenge you guys. All right, I don't think he's gonna throw a 6-bagger after a triple in the 10th, because that would mean he's pretty much bowling 300. So a double right here would be huge. That's terrible. We got Team USA trials coming up in about 10 days. We need to be a little bit better than that, because we're not gonna be bowling on the Gold Coast house shot. We might be bowling on some easy, because we bowled on a couple easy ones last year. And those were my worst days. Just couldn't strike as much as the kids. All right, here we go. Base 2 pearl. All right, as long as I get more than 4, he's got to throw the next 9.
Ooh, 9 in a row. Basically 300 pace.
You basically have to bowl 300. I'm gonna take my time here.
Next factor.
That ball gets down lane hard. All right. Good luck.
9 in a row. I got this easy, guys.
A 9-bagger for a free something. I'm not gonna lock you in. You can choose the ball if you want. I'm rooting for you. I finished with 256. He's got 200 out. Gotta go a little. Oh, it does! 1 down, 8 to go. So how the endless 10th frame, even though it has not been invoked yet, he has to strike on this shot. If he wanted to miss, he had to miss in the first shot, because he could strike in the fill and then have the endless 10th frame. Every strike he throws counts for 10. Anything less, no good. You can only get 10 once the endless 10th frame begins. You guys think Red Bull would sponsor a bowler? That'd be kind of cool. That's gotta go, a little handsy. Oh! What's the layout on that thing? The thing doesn't hook. 1 more for the endless 10th frame. I just want to let you know you lost the actual match.
I know I did.
You can win the YouTube match, but you lost the actual match. So if you win, it'll be like 0.5 and 3.
Yeah, 0.5. I can take that. I'll take that.
It's a big one here. A little steep. Oh!
All right.
Here we go. Endless 10th frame begins now. He needs 6 strikes from here on out for a score of 260. Anything less, no good. Anything more, no need. But a 6-bagger nonetheless. Can he do it? Can he do it?
Ooh, my ball is slimy.
To be fair, if you didn't switch balls and you struck in those 2 shots, you still lose.
Yeah.
But you'd only have to throw 1 strike right now, because I think you would have had 253, 254. Steep. Oh, Bird Dog misses the 10. Darren goes down 0-3.
Dang.
Lucky. But if you guys made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. Helps me out a ton. Doesn't cost anything for you guys. Can we give a hand to Darren? Thanks for being on the channel, man. Appreciate it. Maybe we'll get back on for the quad match.
Quad
but,
match?
yeah, the 4th. I don't know. That was probably a stupid term to use. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you guys are interested in Pro VM, let me know when you're in Vegas. Join the Discord. Let me know there. We're giving away bowling balls on the other channel, the Vitamin D Tang channel. Link is in the description below as well. Every 10,000 subscribers over there, we're giving away a ball. So with that being said, thank you for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one.